note, Yvonne, let's talk about your niche. Do you have a specific niche within, architectural motifs, or do you sort of like say we can do it all?
We have done it all and can do it all. I mean, we can do modern farmhouse, we can do Tuscan, we've done a Victorian. There's not much call for Victorian, but we have done a Victorian, but
Interesting.
certainly a lot of lodge like or more European French country. We've done those. And
Are you known in your area for any specific motif?
I don't know if we are, which is actually a good thing. Years ago when we started this business, because design's my passion, and I was thinking I'd love to get, we get a little bit bigger. I'd like to have an architect on staff, and I could have a lot more, kind of, I don't know if I say control, but just more involvement with the project and him drawing it. And then I realized that when I see that model with other builders, guess what? Their houses all look alike.
All the same. Yep.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same architect. And you just can't get away from it. So we rotate about 3 or 4 different designer architects that we use, always open. In fact, we just started a new one here recently. And so I'd rather have some freshness to that whole perspective than just use the same guy that I've been using for 20 years. And I say, well, it's just like that last plan we did, and it just start looking the same.
It's an interesting thought in that really when you're talking about what I think you guys are saying is from design as a differentiation point, it's your design capabilities and maybe your openness to do different designs. I'm thinking case in point, I know some builders here locally that they got into building very contemporary homes. And it's like once they put a few of those up, they were instantly branded, you're a contemporary builder. So if you want to build contemporary, okay, people would go to them. But if you didn't want to build contemporary, you would essentially eliminate them because you think like, oh, you don't know how to build anything but contemporary. So it sounds like for you all anyway, it's been probably a positive being able to have that flexibility versus being known for a specific motif.
Yeah, Blake just got a call just this week from a guy who wants to do something more like Frank Lloyd Wright architecture. Asked if we'd ever done it. I'm going like, nope, but doesn't mean we can't. So hopefully he saw our website to see a variety of different styles on there and wasn't afraid to inquire about the style that he's looking for.